Hello, welcome to BMeks Info channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to tackle virus issues in your computer. And I will be sharing how to delete viruses and malwares using a powerful run command. This run command is the best option apart from the window defender when it comes to fixing computer virus issues. This will really help you resolve your PC virus problems. It will also remove malicious programs in your system. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows search bar. Type Run, and when Run pops up, type MRT. Type MRT. MRT stands for Microsoft Malicious Removal Tool. That is the name of this run command. So you have to type in that in the Run dialog box and then click OK. And then from here you can select a scan option you want to run. Is a powerful tool capable of resolving malware issues apart from removing viruses in your system. So once you are in this interface, what you have to do is to select a scan option, as I said earlier. You have 3 scan options here. You have a quick scan and you have a deep scan. And then you have also a custom scan. I would advise you run a deep scan on your system. That will resolve so many virus issues you may have. So I would advise you go for deep scan if your system is having virus issue. But in my own case, I don't have virus issue. I have to just run a quick scan, and to do that, click on that. And click OK, and the scanning process will start. So this is very important. I want to advise also that you have to do this as often as possible to keep your system clean. The scan process can take several minutes, but you have to allow it to be completed, depending on the kind of scan you want to run. If you are running a deep scan, this could take several minutes to complete. But if it is a quick scan, it is going to take lesser time to complete. You can see the process is ongoing. So that is how to go about it. This will resolve all virus and malware issues you may have in your system, and will clean your system of all these viruses. And this will make your computer to really work better, while boosting performance. Please, if this helps you out, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your experience at the comment section. And that will really help us to put up more videos of this nature. So as you can see, the process is completed, and there are no viruses found in my system. In your own case, if viruses are found, the system will resolve it. That's why it's important you run this deep scan.